Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making Rice Krispie Treats. These are really quick, really easy. They're a great party and lunchbox treat, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay, so we're going to start off with our butter. So we're going to melt our butter inside our pan. Can I suggest using a non-stick pan for this because it makes life so much easier, and you'll see why in a minute. Once our butter is melted, we're going to go ahead and add our marshmallows, and we're going to keep stirring until the marshmallows are completely melted. And you'll see, because I'm not using a non-stick pan, they are sticking a little bit. It was all fine in the end, but cleanup would have been a breeze if I'd used something that wasn't going to stick. So once our marshmallows are all nice and melted, what you're going to do is you're going to pour in your puffed rice. So rice bubbles, I'm using a gluten-free version here, but you're going to pour in those rice bubbles and you're going to mix until everything is coated in that marshmallow mixture. And you're going to need your muscles to do this because it does get really sticky. Okay, so I've just lined a 16 by 16 baking pan with some baking paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour in all of those Rice Krispie Treats. So just get them all in there, and then what we're going to do is press them down to make an even layer. This is fairly easy. You just want to make sure that layer is nice and smooth, and then you're going to set it aside and let it cool until it's nice and set. Once it's set, you're going to take it out of the pan, and I usually oil my knife so that it doesn't stick to the marshmallows, and then I just cut them into bars. You can cut them into squares. Mine turned out pink because of the pink marshmallows. When you're melting the marshmallows, if you want to make them a different color or you want to make them white, use white marshmallows and then add in some food coloring so it's the color of your choice. Then you can go ahead and dip these in chocolate, cover them in sprinkles. Really, you can do whatever you like. These are great for kids' birthday parties. They're great for lunch boxes. And they're really versatile. I even used to use them when I was making cakes, and I used to need to sculpt things that I couldn't use cake for. So all you need to do once you've made these is put them into an airtight container and then go ahead and enjoy them. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you make it, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye!